Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro on sale from DJI. Could the Mavic Pro 2 be far behind? We'll find out coming up. Today is April 2nd, 2018, and DJI overnight has dropped the price on the DJI Mavic Pro on their webpage. The DJI Mavic Pro that retails for $999 is now on sale for $899. And the Fly More Combo, which retails for $1,381, is now on sale for $1,149. That's a savings of $232. I'll put links in the description so you can definitely check those out if you're interested. So what does this price drop mean regarding the Mavic Pro 2, Bill? Well, if you remember in my two-part series, I went over some of the signs to watch for that we can know that a Mavic Pro 2 release is on the horizon, and we're going to review those. The first one that I had mentioned was a price drop not only by major retailers, and you've seen it out, at Costco, and you've also seen it on Amazon. Now there's a price drop by DJI. I said that was definitely one of the things that you wanted to watch for. The second thing, and again, these are things I discuss in detail, is when there's an FCC grant issued for the Mavic Pro 2. As of today, April the 2nd, 2018, there is no FCC grant issued for the Mavic Pro 2. Now, bear in mind, if you go back to that video, and again, I explain this in detail, two of DJI's drones that have been released, the Mavic Air and the Spark, their FCC grants were on the dates that they were released. So they can do this on that very date. So it may be ahead of time, it may be on that date. So again, just have to keep a watch and an eye out for that. The third thing that plays into this is the Autel Evo. Now, I've been hearing from my sources that the release is imminent. It's going to be during the month of April. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding drones and the drone industry and anything, of course, that's DJI related. And also check out my blog where I do post all my videos. Thanks for watching and happy flying.